You remember how cool your cake was last year?
Spider-Man is a good man. He can save the day.
I know.
Batman saves the day too.
And the night.
What are you paddling?
Twice as hard.
Mainly
To
the
the
night,
stars.
though, actually.
James, what do you want on your birthday cake?
A whole one full of dinosaurs.
A dinosaur.
We can do that.
He loves dinosaurs.
We can do that. That's easy.
Did you know they just said that a T-Rex was feathered?
Nice. Take that. Scaly vision of the evil of our
Right.
childhood. I made her feathery.
Oh, he's got time to party. Okay, you better start rowing again.
Mom's just floating down the river.
Yep, here I go.
I'm a party.
That's hard to do. This
Ding,
one.
ding, 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 ding.
Don't get stuck under the ladder.
I feel really tall in this canoe.
I feel short all the time, so what are you gonna do?
I'm partying.
We're partying!
Well, I'm rowing.
You leave the party. The party's going this way.
Is that Desiree's bike?
I have no idea. You coming? You gonna come party?
I stop.
Can you tell Grandma Margaret hello and I love you?
Hi, Grandma Margaret. Hello, and I love you.
Tell her Nana Niffler I love you.
Nana Niffler, I love you.
Okay. Come here, blow her kisses.
Mwah.
Okay.